first thing is first, get all this scraggly ass hair out of the way. Get the fuck out of the way. I look bald. I'm just going to do like a typical, like everyday style that I typically do every day. Does that even make sense? I don't even know. All my makeup is like gross and expired and crusty and nasty. And some of it I've even had since high school. I know it's embarrassing, but I don't know. I'm getting new stuff though, because this is like ridiculous. I have this e.l.f. Acne Fighting Putty Primer, and I kind of like it, but I don't know. It's got like salicylic acid in it, and sometimes it like burns my face. This actually is not burning today. I'm surprised by that. But yes, I just put this primer all over, which, oh, I should have never did that. Because I start with my eyes first. And now my face just feels all stupid. Now this is all over my hands. There's a towel right here from last night's shower. I'm just gonna wipe our hands on that and throw it aside. I have this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the satin finish. Look how old and crusty she is. Gross, right? This stuff kind of like, I don't know. It dries up too fast. I don't like how much it dries. I always start off with the eyes first though. I just did kind of blend it into my eye with my finger. Nothing fancy going on here. I kind of don't like how this stuff dries. Like, it dries a little bit too much. Wait till you see this palette that I got. This iconic London, what is it? Eyeshadow palette. I got this in a BoxyCharm subscription, like probably 7 or 8 years ago. I don't know why, but I always put a layer of like this really bright color. It's called Marshmallow. I just put a layer of that like down. I feel like it helps to like blend. So I just do like a small layer of that. With like a really super fluffy brush. So then I take like a smaller brush, and then I'm using like this dark brown called Deep Soul. This is not a tutorial, by the way. This is just like what I do, kind of. Oh, sometimes I use like this tape and I like tape off my eye, so like, but we're probably just not gonna do that today. Or should I? I don't know, should I? Nah, we're just gonna do it like this. I just kind of like dab it on a little bit, like I just get the color on. I have like really hooded eyes too, so I'm trying to like figure out how to, I don't know. I'm still trying to figure this whole crap out because of these stupid hooded eyes. Every day I feel like my makeup looks different because, I don't know. Okay, I can't talk during this. I have to focus. Then just blending this out. Going like back and forth. This stuff actually blends really decently. I just like got some eyeshadow and then I'm just gonna blend it out and hope for the best. I don't know. And then we just add like a brighter shade. I'm gonna go in with Marshmallow again to try to just like, I don't know, brighten up the inner corner, kind of. If that even makes sense. So this next part I'm probably going to do off camera because it's the eyeliner and I have to focus. This is the, what is this? Maybelline Define-A-Line. It's supposed to be like a smudgy, it's got like this little like smudger. It's supposed to be like a really good smudging eyeliner. I have like mixed like feelings about it because it smudges, but it smudges like too much. and I just end up looking like a panda or something by the end of the day because, yeah. I put it like in my waterline, like top and bottom. Oh, it makes my like eyes water though. Okay, so I just put it both eyes, top and bottom waterline, and now I'm going to try to like smudge it out a little bit because it's going to smudge out anyways and look terrible if I don't. So let's just try. Now I'm just going to do mascara. This is the Milani tubing mascara. I actually really like tubing mascara. I've tried the one from e.l.f. I like it. And I also tried the one from Thrive Cosmetics. And this is just basically like a dupe. It's like the same color, like tube and everything. I just put 2 coats on. Oof, and that is 2 coats. And now I just take a fan and let it dry. Alright, so for the brows, this is what I do now, but I'm going to do, like, I'm going to get like an actual tinted brow gel and stuff, but for right now, what I do is I use hair gel and this little, I get this shit from like the Dollar Tree, like a year or 2 ago, and I just use, I know this is gross, I just like make up a little like tinted eye gel and I put it on with a spoolie and then I just brush them up. It's like, I don't know, it's a very subtle change. I don't really care about my eyebrows, so I don't really spend much time doing them. So yeah. That's all I do for the brows because I don't care. What should I do for the base? Probably not anything like super crazy. Like I'll put like a little concealer on my spots. I got a bunch of like random spots on here, so I'll probably just conceal them. Usually I would put this tinted sunscreen on, but I'm not even going out of the house today. And I need more of this. This is completely empty. But this shit's like $40 for like this tiny little thing. It's like, damn. I hate buying it, but I love it so much. So now I'm just going to do a little bit of foundation. I have this e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation that has been through it. It's like almost empty too, kind of. Finally. It's in the shade Fair Neutral. So I'm just gonna take like a very little bit of this on a brush and just kind of like dab it on. I like to put my foundation on with like a really super like fluffy brush. I feel like it just works better. I don't know. Than like a normal flat foundation brush. I don't know. Because I just want like a, probably like light coverage. We're not gonna go too hard with it today. Okay, so now I'm feeling very ghostly. We are going to just bronze up a little bit and stuff. I don't have a contour stick right now, so I just kind of use bronzer for like contour. It works, kind of. I'm using this NYX Buttermelt bronzer. And it smells like cocoa butter. I'm just taking like the same, actually no, I'm probably gonna switch up. No, I'm gonna use the same. I'll just use the same brush. This big ass like fluffy brush and just like bronze up a little bit. Sometimes I would put like bronzing drops on, like these ones, these sunless tanning drops. But I'm just not feeling the like glowy vibe today because it's just so dark and gloomy. And then I take this e.l.f. Luminous Putty Blush. I don't know what color this is. Like a pinky. I don't know where those holes came from. I think my son got into my makeup. Whatever. And then, should I take the same brush? Why not? Fuck it. Dip it in and then just kind of make your cheeks all like blushy and whatever the fuck. Bronzer and like blush are just like to bring back color to my pale ass looking face after I'm like burping, sorry. What was I saying? Bronzer and blush is like just bringing color back to my pale ass face after I don't know, make it even paler looking. There's like different lighting on my mirror. Ooh, that's like nice. Okay, that is pretty much what I do on a day-to-day basis. It's nothing awesome. And then we just, where is it? The setting spray, where is it? Oh, here it is. This setting spray I've had for so many years. This shit has got to be so expired by now. It is the Up All Night makeup setting spray. I got it from TJ Maxx like forever ago. I think it was supposed to be a dupe for like the Urban Decay All Nighter or whatever it is. So yeah, we just spray this and then do the fan and then have to move on to my nasty hair. Okay, and here is just like the finished product. It gets better once it's on my skin for like a couple hours. I actually hate the way my makeup looks. Like when I just do it. The lighting is really weird. Let me turn this off. Okay, that's in like natural lighting. Like I said, it's like a gloomy day today. But I actually hate what my makeup looks like when I just put it on. I like it when it like melts into my face a little bit more. So I would show you in a couple hours. Maybe it'll look better. Okay, makeup has sat on my face for a little bit, so I'm liking it a lot more.